How to choose thickness of interlayer film for making different type of laminated glass. In order to making all types of laminated glass successfully, the thickness of interlayer film should be taken into consideration. Here are some principles. The interlayer film should be thicker for making tempered laminated glass than making ordinary laminated glass. The interlayer film should be thicker for making heat-strengthened laminated glass than making ordinary laminated glass. The interlayer film should be thicker for making thicker laminated glass. The interlayer film should be thicker for making larger size laminated glass. The interlayer film should be thicker for making thicker and larger size laminated glass. We will offer tables of suggested thickness of interlayer film for general guidance, but you may adjust the thickness based on your experiences and specific situations. We offer the standard thickness of EVA interlayer film at 0.38 mm and 0.76 mm, but you could combine multi-layers to get the thicker interlayer film you need. Here are the tables for ordinary laminated glass. And here are the tables for tempered laminated glass and heat-strengthened laminated glass. If you want to discuss further, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours.